How to delete Bilibili account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to delete or remove your Bilibili account permanently, then firstly, open a web browser and type in bilibili.tv in it and search. You can also open up your Bilibili app if the app is available on your region. Once you're inside the home page after logging into your account, go to the upper right corner and click on or mouse over to your profile picture. Select My Profile from the expanded menu. This will take you to My Profile. Now, click on the Delete button at the bottom of the screen, right next to Delete My Account Permanently. Go through the information. Remember, deleting your Bilibili account is irreversible. You'll not be able to sign into your account after deletion. Your personal information for this account will also be deleted. Go ahead and click on the Accept button at the bottom to accept to the terms and conditions. And yes, a very important thing, if you've got a premium or VIP subscription for Bilibili, you'll need to cancel that first. Deleting your account does not always stop billing automatically, and some users reported continued charges after deletion, so make sure to cancel that first. After you have done that, you can proceed with the deletion. And now, to delete your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Click on Verify Now. In the pop-up, click on Send to receive a verification code sent to your email inbox. Now check your email inbox, and once you receive the inbox, enter the code that has been sent to you. Finally, click Next. After you complete the verification, you'll be able to delete your Bilibili account. That is how you can delete your account quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.